Hello everyone. Today we shall discuss a very important topic. After passing class 12 or after doing graduation, most of the students, they are in a dilemma. They fail to realize what they want to do. There are so many options, so many opportunities, but the competition is tough. And most of the students are puzzled in deciding what to do. In the present video, we shall discuss the various options which are available to students after passing class 12 and class 10s. We shall discuss about the various competitive exams, the various government jobs, and the possibilities which are open to students. Hope you shall enjoy this. You see, I have compiled a document which explains about the various competitive exams and the possibilities which are open to students after passing class 12 and after doing their graduations. Here, there are a list of competitive exams which are open to students. Approximately in India, there are about 300 entrance exams and about 50 exams are conducted by the government for jobs. Given below are some of the common examinations or the choices which are open to the students. For example, we have civil services, the UPSC, probably one of the most difficult exams in the world. Then we have combined defense services examination, common admission test. You see, things are gradually changing. New competitive exams are coming in the arena. Then there is the CED, Common Entrance Examination for Design. Nowadays, a new examination has come, Common Law Admission Test. It has become very popular. In fact, recently I find many students getting attracted towards these examinations. Then there are lesser known exams like Food Corporation of India examinations, GATE, probably the most versatile examinations for technical students. Then IBPS PO examination, Indian Economic Services examination, these examinations are less popular. Then JEE, the most sort of examination for the sharp students, Joint Entrance Examination, Main and Advanced, one of the toughest and the most popular examination in the world, a world which has created a whole economy of coaching businesses. Then there is Law School Admission Test, National Defense Academy Examinations, NDA, which is again one of the most popular examinations. Then National Eligibility Entrance Test, NEET, very important exam and one of the most difficult exams which takes place. SSC, Staff Selection Commission. This is the examination which is most popular because opportunities are also great there. Number of seats are also large. State Bank of India examination, Xavier's admission test. You see, likewise, there are many examinations. Now, examination options which are available after class 12. You see, here are some compiled data. These data are freely available on net. This is a compiled data. arts. Let me first discuss about the streams. In art streams, after 12, you can give the Banaras Hindu University entrance exam, TISS Bachelor's Admission Test. For defense services, students who are interested in defense they can join the Indian Maritime Universe Common Entrance Test, Indian Navy BTech Entrance Scheme, Indian Army Technical Entrance Scheme, National Defense Academy. See, there are so many options nowadays. A lot of options are available. Now, engineering. For engineering, you see, this is the arena which most of the bright students think about. First, there is the JE main, followed by JE advanced. Then there is exam of BIT, Builder Institute of Technical and Science Admission Test. This in itself is a very popular exam. Then there is Comtech UGET, IPU set. For then this VITE, this is quite popular. Like this, there are so many other examinations which engineering students can take. Now, the lesser known these courses for fashion and design students, there is this famous NIFT exam, National Institute of Fashion Technology. And these are the other lesser known examinations. Law. In last few years, suddenly the law stream has become quite popular. Here are the two most common examinations: Common Law Admission Test and All India Law Entrance Test. Then there's the medical field. Medical field, obviously, the best and the most popular exam is the NET, National Eligibility Cum Entrance Test, followed by AIMS MBBS, then this GIP MER MBBS. For science, in case of science, most of the students pursue the different honors course available in good universities. Here are some other tests also available. Now, list of competitive exams which are available after graduation. There is CAT, the most popular examination for MBA, examinations of IIM, Indian Institute of Management. Then there is SEET, IIT Bombay. National examinations of National Law School. CMAT, National Testing Agency. Then there is examination for Film and Television Institute of India, GATE. Very important for the MTechs, GRE, IIFT. Likewise, you see, there are so many examinations. Jawaharlal Institute of Postgraduate Medical Education and Research, Kalinga Institute of Industrial Technology, NIT PG. All right. Hordes of examinations are available. Now, we come to the list of competitive exams for government jobs. CDS, Union Public Service Commission. UPSC, Union Public Service Commission. Then the Central Board of Secondary Education. DRDO, ESIC, FCI recruitment. So like you see, there are so many avenues available. Then there is all the clerical jobs of different banking. Then there are the civil services, examinations of ISRO, examinations of Life Insurance Corporation, NDA, RBI. You see, there is so many opportunities. So opportunities are ample. One has to be prepared for this. Thank you.